Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up one-on-one sessions for your students in LearnWorlds? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up one-on-one sessions for your students anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, doing coaching or selling courses, you know that sometimes your students finish a module and you want to make a one-on-one session available to them through Zoom or Calendly or something like that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you had to have already connected your Calendly or your Zoom or some other approved meeting software. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So once you've connected your service provider, what you're going to do is here on the left, you're going to click on courses. Once you click there, you're going to see all the courses you have available on LearnWorlds. You can see I just have this one, and you want to hover over these three dots and click on edit course. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the different sections or chapters. So you want to scroll through until you find the section that you would like to add the one-on-one session available. So for example, let's go down here to Mexican cuisine. So let's say that maybe they've finished up the module about Mexican cuisine and they want to schedule a one-on-one with me. What you're going to do is click on activity. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on live sessions. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose from any of these providers. So you need to have a higher tier account than I have to connect your Zoom, WebEx, or Microsoft Teams. However, you can go ahead and connect your Calendly right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click one-on-one session. Okay, now we can go ahead and name the session. So let's go ahead and maybe name this one Taco Talk and save and edit. Okay, so here you can go ahead and change it around. So right here on Calendly settings, you're going to see the Calendly account that you connected to your LearnWorlds. And since you're going to be sharing information, you want to click here event type. Go ahead and choose the consult that you have inside Calendly. All right, let me scroll down. Okay, you can add a background image if you want. You can go ahead and add all this information if you want, or you can go ahead and just click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see under Mexican cuisine, once these users have finished the module, they can go ahead and schedule a one-on-one with me right here. And to give you a quick rundown on how to connect your Calendly, go back and watch my other video, but let me show you really quick. Let me go back here. Okay, so here we are on the home screen. On the left side, you want to click on settings, gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu. Click on integrations. Once you click on integrations, you want to click on live sessions. Once you click on live sessions, you can go ahead and choose the provider up here on the top. So if we click on Calendly, okay, so here's Calendly. You can see that my account is connected. If not, go ahead and click on activate and then just follow the directions by clicking on the turquoise button, add account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up one-on-one sessions or even group sessions in your LearnWorlds account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.